Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate study schedules with Memrise step by step clearly. Open Memrise on your device or visit the website. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Choose a language or subject you wish to study. Select the course you want to focus on. Click on the course to explore its contents. Review the lesson plan for the course to understand what's included. Open the Settings or Preferences menu in your account. Look for the Study Schedule or Reminders section. Set your preferred study time, frequency, and duration. Memrise typically allows you to choose daily or weekly reminders. Adjust the settings based on your availability and preferences. Create a consistent study routine that aligns with your schedule. Utilize the app's built-in progress tracking feature. Check your progress regularly to stay motivated. If you find a specific topic challenging, consider allocating more time to it. Use the Learn New Words feature for added practice sessions. Incorporate review sessions to reinforce what you've learned. Engage with the community for additional tips and support. Utilize Memrise mobile app for on-the-go study sessions. Explore any additional resources or features that Memrise offers. Stay consistent with your study schedule to maximize retention. Adapt your study plan as you progress through the course. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may be. End with a commitment to continue learning each day. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.